Good day, viewers. Today we shall be looking at this set of questions on the board. If you're watching us via YouTube, please we beg that you support us by subscribing to our channel. Just click on the subscribe button to subscribe. And if you wish to be notified when we drop a new video, you can also click on the notification button. Thank you. Number 1, without using tables, evaluate this log. Before we go into the solution, we're going to recall two properties of log. First, log of a number power n base b can be expressed as what? The power n times the log. Also, log of a number a base b can be expressed as what? 1 over log of b base a. We interchange. Okay? So these two properties, we're going to be using it to evaluate this problem. So number 1, I'm going to have log of 4 base 2 plus log of 2 base 4 minus log of 5 base 25 as here I write expressed as what? Log of 2 power 2 base 2 plus here I apply this. Okay, I'm going to have 1 over log of what? 4 base 2 minus here also I apply this 1 over log of 25 base 5. So this is going to give me what? I apply the first property here. I have 2 log 2 base 2 plus here I write it as 1 over here I'm going to have log of 2 power 2 base 2, right? Which is I'm saying 2 log, right? So I'm going to have 2 log 2 base 2, all right, minus this also can be expressed as this 5 can be expressed as what? 5 raised to power 2, right? Now apply this property. I'm going to have 1 over 2 log 5 base 5. All right, this is going to give me what now? Log of a number of to the same base is what? 1. So I'm going to have 2 times 1 plus here I have 1 over 2 times 1 minus 1 over 2 times 1. Sorry, right? So what this gives me now? I'm going to have here 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2, this is 0. So I'm going to have what? 2. Okay? And that is given by option what? D. So option D gives the correct answer to number 1. Number 2 says find the value of p for which the equation equals 0 has equal roots. Now, recall that given a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the roots of this quadratic equation will be equal if the determinant b squared minus 4ac equals 0, right? B is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x squared, yc is the constant. So compare it with this now. We have x squared minus p minus 2x plus 2p plus 1 equals 0. This is a function of x, right? So here now, our a, if you compare with this, our a is what? 1. Our b is what? Minus p minus 2, which is expressed as what? Minus p plus 2, which is 2 minus p. And our c is what? 2p plus 1. So for the root to be equal, we're going to have b squared minus 4ac equals 0, meaning 2 minus p squared minus 4 times 1, right, times c. Let me do this. 4 times 1 is 4, then times c, 2p plus 1 must be equals to what? 0. We simplify this. This we're going to have what? 4, 2 squared 4, 2 times minus p, you have minus 4p, minus p times minus p plus p squared. Expand this, you have minus 8p, minus 4 times 2p minus 8p, minus 4 times plus 1 minus 4 equals 0. Rearrange, you have what? P squared minus 4p minus 8p minus 12p. 4 minus 4 is 0 equals 0. All right, factorize, you have p into p minus 12 equals 0. This implies what? P equals 0 or p minus 12 equals 0. This implies p equals 0 or p equals 12. So the coordinate of p is values of p is what? 0, 12. And that is given by option what? A. Now move to number 3. For number 3, we are to solve this equation simultaneously. I'm going to go by elimination method. Here call it 1, here 2. Okay? I want to eliminate the terms of what? Y. So I multiply here by what? 2. Here remains, right? So what do I have now? When I multiply, I have 2 times 2x, 4x, minus 2 times 3y, 6y, equals 20. This gives me a new equation. Let me call it 3. I still have my equation 2 here. All right. So how do I eliminate these terms of y now? I eliminate by what? Subtracting. Okay. So 4x minus 10x will give me minus 6x. Right. Minus 6y minus 6y. This will go. 20 minus 5 will give me what? 15. Right. So what do I have now? I have x equals 15 over minus 6. 3 here, 5, 3 here, 2. My x is what now? Minus 2 whole number 1 over 2. I substitute the value of x here in 1. Substitute x equals minus 2, 1 over 2 in equation 1. And what is equation 1? 2x minus 3y equals 10. So when I substitute, I have 2 times minus 5 over 2, right? Minus 3y equals 10. 2 cancels out 2. I have minus 5 minus 3y equals 10. Let me use this part of the board. So I have minus 3y when I collect like terms equals 10. 5 goes there to become plus 5. So minus 3y equals 15. My y equals 15 over minus 3. That will give me what? Minus 5. So my x is what now? 2 minus 2 number 1 over 2. My y is what? Minus 5. And that is given by option what? Option A gives the correct answer for number 3. And that brings us to the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.